These were so delicious, guys. You guys have to try it. To my container, I added mayonnaise, sweet pickle relish, sweet grated onion with the juices, yellow mustard, white vinegar, paprika, onion powder, sea salt, garlic powder, and white sugar. I put my sauce in the refrigerator to let the flavors marry together. To a bowl, I added my ground beef and I seasoned it with pepper and salt. I began to place an amount of ground beef onto my tortillas, and then I flattened it out to make everything flat as possible. Right outside to the flat top with the help of my husband, he placed each tortilla face side down so that the beef can cook. And then once you flip it over, you just add the cheese of your choice. We chose white American cheese and cheddar cheese. Once done, I assembled my tacos with some grated onion, some lettuce, some pickles, and that Big Mac sauce, and these were so delicious, guys. You guys have to try it. Recipe will be at the end. Make sure you like, comment, and share. See you guys next time. Bye.